Hi everybody, it's Amber and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. This is another craft fair project that we are going to share with you. My sister Bree made all of these gorgeous cards and I cannot wait to show them to you. She sold these at our craft fair and people love Christmas cards and she had a lot of fun making them. So she's helping me in today's video to showcase all of her cards and I hope that you enjoy. Before we get started, I want to thank Skillshare for partnering with me in today's video. And as you know, I love Skillshare. They have tons and tons of classes, workshops, and it's so fun to explore around the holidays. So Skillshare, if you don't know already, is an online learning community, and they have thousands upon thousands of classes that they have to offer. I explored their huge library of handmade cards, and let me tell you, it was amazing. And I took this class here and it was so fun. It was different. It took a lot of ideas that I use every day for other things and other projects and kind of put them into the beautiful piece of art on the top of a card. Skillshare has a premium membership that gives you unlimited access to any class, whether you want to fuel your curiosity or even change careers or just brush up on the skills that you already have. Skillshare is the perfect place to keep you learning and thriving with the most up-to-date and trendiest skills that you can definitely take and apply to your life and to your creativity. The premium membership actually ends up being just under $10 a month, so it is super affordable. But because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, you can sign up with the link in the description below and get a 2-month free trial of a Skillshare Premium. So I really recommend you clicking that link, going over and checking this out, and enjoying all that Skillshare has to offer. So now Bree is going to show you each and every card that she made. They're so beautiful. She used such gorgeous paper, and I hope that you enjoy and I hope that you're inspired.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change.
So those are all the gorgeous cards that Bree made for the craft fair. These always do so well. She had so much fun making these, and it's just a great project and idea for your craft fair. So we do have one more craft fair idea coming for my craft fair series, the last one, which is a twist on one of my best sellers. And I can't wait for you to see that video. And then, of course, I'm going to be sharing the 2 craft fairs that we were in. I filmed them, and I can't wait to share the setup with you. And, of course, I'll be doing my end of the craft fair season recap to let you know our best and worst sellers and all the details. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and make sure you're following me on Instagram. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye!